Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is going to be your daily reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up for you all. Nurture your dreams, be content. Okay, it's an angel card. Okay, Virgos. With these cards, nurture your dreams. It just means for the things we yearn, okay? All of us have certain goals and dreams in our life. When we yearn and when we keep thinking of the things around us constantly, okay? Um, the goals we want to achieve constantly, okay? We naturally achieve it when you yearn for your result, okay? Whatever you want to get in your life. Um, you automatically feel drawn to the result, so it unfolds itself, okay? If you want to reach your goal, maybe you want to buy a car, maybe you want to build a house, okay? So you keep thinking about that positively, it really happens, guys. So you should nurture your dreams, guys. You should always think of what you want to get in your life and be content, okay? Be content is just embracing the things around you, whatever change that is taking place happily, okay? I think there may be a child coming into your life, maybe you're pregnant, or maybe your person is pregnant, or maybe somebody, okay, you're in your friend circle. There's this energy here in this card, okay? That is what I feel here. So when you feel content with the day to day life, how things are happening in your life, when you accept things as they are, it brings serenity into your life, guys. It brings a sense of peace and happiness, okay? Let me pick out three more cards for your love messages. Let's see what's coming up. You know me better than anyone else. You make me complete. You respect my decisions. Okay. So this is what your person feels about you, Virgos. They feel you know them very well, okay, and you're the only person they are very close to, and you make me complete. This may be a twin flame soulmate connection, guys. They feel complete with you, okay, spiritually, emotionally. So they feel very happy to be with you all the time, okay? You respect my decisions. They feel you accept their decisions, whatever it is, okay? So this is a good energy, guys. This may be a twin flame soulmate connection. Maybe you are having a child or going to have a child, okay? That's what I feel here, Virgos. Let me pick out three more cards for you. Let's see what's coming up. Willingness, vision, peacefulness. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Virgos, with peacefulness card, I feel you should try and practice meditation, guys, every day to bring yourself into a peaceful environment every day, to calm yourself, to calm your mind, okay? Um, you can do it as a daily routine, okay? Meditation, it's really good. It will help you to reset your brain, okay? How you think and decide and work and go about every day. It helps a lot. And vision, you have a very clear view of your life, what you want to be, what you want to become. Maybe you're into creative arts, maybe yourself or your person are into some kind of a creative field, I feel. Maybe into dancing, art, painting, something. Okay. So when you do that, or when you have the intuition to do that, when you want to start drawing for yourself just as a hobby, it will just tune yourself to divinity, guys. It will make you a very peaceful person, and it will help you to grow spiritually. And willingness card is just accepting things as they are, willing to see uh, without any kind of judgment or bias. Okay, accepting things as it is in your life. When you do that, you attain that great peace of mind, guys. So Virgos, overall I'm getting a very good energy for you. Maybe there's a child coming into your life. Okay, guys. um, so this is what I feel, Virgos. So this is a twin flame soulmate connection, guys. That's what I feel, with peacefulness, with the nurture your dreams card. You make me complete. I have this strong feeling. This relationship you have with this person, it's a twin flame soulmate connection, guys. This is all I'm getting for you, Virgos. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos. Bye, guys.